dead in the basement.
The All American Spiel is a women's bonspiel that takes place each January between the Bowling Green and Detroit curling clubs. This spiel is unique because everyone curls one day in Bowling Green and one day in Detroit. Each day consists of a morning game, lunch, and then an afternoon game.
Came into this world. Good curling, the handshakes are so nice. Good curling, I'll see you on the ice. I was in Toronto in a hotel room. I turned on the TV and I saw these men with brooms. So I watched it, but I didn't understand. And that is how I became a curling fan. And then a few years later, I came down to this club. I finally threw my first stone and quickly fell in love with the sport of curling. It's a quirky art. The sweeping and the sliding are my favorite part. Good curling, the handshakes are so nice. Good curling, I'll see you on the ice. So push out of the hack, across that old tee line, trying to throw the perfect weight and keep the stone on line, and then release it with a gentle turn. And if you've thrown it too light, it's the sweeper's turn. So hurry, sweep it harder to draw it to the high.